Imagine this. You're sipping a mojito on a white sand beach, the turquoise waves tickling your toes. It's paradise. And guess what?
You're not breaking the bank to be here.
Sounds like a dream, right?
Well, it's not.
Today, I'm going to share 20 travel hacks that save me thousands every trip, and they can do the same for you. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, what's your biggest money-saving tip when you travel? Let's share the wealth of knowledge. Hack 1. Flexibility is your best friend. I used to think cheap travel was all about sacrifice, but here's the secret. It's about flexibility. If you're open to flying on weekdays or booking trips during shoulder seasons, you can save hundreds. Try this. Search flights to your dream destination for a Tuesday departure and compare it to a Saturday. Bet you'll see a big difference. For instance, I once planned a trip to Barcelona in late September instead of peak summer. Not only did I save nearly $400 on flights, but the streets were less crowded and the weather was still perfect. It's not just about saving money, it's about enhancing the experience. Hack 2. Embrace the power of incognito mode. Let me let you in on a little-known secret. Flight prices go up when you search repeatedly. Why? Cookies. But there's a workaround, incognito mode. Here's how it works. Open a private browsing tab, search your flights, and bam! Watch those prices drop. I remember searching for flights to Tokyo last year. Initially, I saw a $750 ticket, but after a few searches, it jumped to $950. A quick incognito search brought it back to $750. That $200 saved, I spent it on sushi and a kimono fitting experience in Kyoto. Hack 3. The 24-hour rule. Did you know most airlines let you cancel flights for free within 24 hours of booking? Use this to your advantage. Book now, and if you find a better deal later, cancel and rebook. This hack saved me $300 on a flight to Paris. That's 300 euros I spent on croissants instead of airfare. It's not just about the savings, it's about peace of mind. On one occasion, I found a last-minute deal to New York, but hesitated. I booked it, then discovered a better deal an hour later. Thanks to the 24-hour rule, I cancelled and rebooked without losing a cent. Hack 4. Cashback and reward cards are gold. Credit card rewards are game changers. Every dollar you spend could be earning you points for free flights or hotel stays. Last summer, I flew to Bali in business class for free, thanks to points I'd racked up on my everyday spending. Think about it. Paying your bills, groceries, and even your Netflix subscription can add up to thousands of points a year. Those points, they're your ticket to luxury without the hefty price tag. On my Bali trip, I even used points to stay at a 5-star resort. Total out-of-pocket cost? $0. Not sure which card to get? Drop your spending habits in the comments, and I'll suggest the best one for you. Hack 5. Pack like a pro. Overpacking is expensive. Checked bag fees add up fast. Here's my trick. Roll your clothes, pack multi-use items, and always bring a collapsible day pack. On one trip to Italy, I managed to fit everything I needed for 2 weeks into a carry-on. How? By packing versatile outfits and skipping bulky shoes. Not only did I save on baggage fees, but I also breezed through airport security and avoided the stress of lost luggage. What's your go-to packing hack? Share below. Hack 6. House sit or pet sit. Imagine staying in a gorgeous villa for free. It's possible with house sitting. Websites like Trusted House Sitters connect you with homeowners who need someone to look after their place. This is a personal story. I spent 2 weeks in a luxurious London flat, rent-free, just by caring for an adorable golden retriever named Max. Beyond the savings, it's a unique way to experience a destination. You're not just a tourist, you're living like a local. During my stay in London, I discovered hidden parks, charming bakeries, and even made friends with the neighbors. Hack 7. Use local SIM cards. Roaming charges are a nightmare, but buying a local SIM card can save you a fortune on data and calls. Pro tip: always buy your SIM card at the airport or a trusted local shop, and don't forget to unlock your phone before you travel. In Vietnam, I got a local SIM card for just $5. It gave me unlimited data for a month. That meant I could navigate Hanoi's chaotic streets, book last-minute tours, and share my adventures on social media without worrying about costs. Hack 8. Eat like a local. Dining out can drain your budget fast, but eating street food or cooking at your accommodation, that's where the real savings are. In Thailand, I lived off pad thai from street vendors for $1 a meal. Delicious and budget-friendly. It's not just about cost, it's about authenticity. Some of the best meals I've had were from humble food stalls or local markets. In Morocco, I stumbled upon a tiny vendor selling tagine for threes. It was so good I went back every day. Hack 9. Use flight alerts. Tools like Google Flights and Hopper are lifesavers. Set alerts for your dream destination and they'll notify you when prices drop. What's the cheapest flight deal you've ever snagged? Let's compare. I once scored a round-trip ticket to Iceland for $250 thanks to a flight alert. That's $250 to witness the northern lights and soak in geothermal lagoons. Setting alerts is like having a personal travel agent who works for free. Hack 10. Negotiate everything from market souvenirs to tour prices. Don't be afraid to haggle. In many cultures, it's expected. Next time you're shopping abroad, try negotiating. You might surprise yourself with the deals you get. In Istanbul's Grand Bazaar, I negotiated a handmade rug down from $500 to $250. The key? Being polite, showing genuine interest and walking away when needed. Haggling isn't just about saving money, it's a cultural experience. Hack 11. Travel overnight. Why pay for a hotel when you can travel overnight? Buses, trains, and even red-eye flights save you on accommodation costs. I once took an overnight train through Italy and woke up to sunrise over the Tuscan countryside. Magic and savings. Overnight travel can also be an adventure in itself. On a sleeper train in India, I shared stories with locals, tried homemade snacks, and got travel tips I couldn't find in guidebooks. Hack 12. Free walking tours. Many cities offer free walking tours. They're a fantastic way to explore, meet people, and learn insider tips, all without spending a dime. Pro tip: just remember to tip your guide. A little goes a long way. On a walking tour in Prague, I learned quirky local legends, discovered hidden alleyways, and got restaurant recommendations that were way off the tourist trail. All for the cost of a small tip. Hack 13. Shop duty-free, but smartly. Duty-free can be a trap, but if you're strategic, it's a goldmine. Focus on high-value items like alcohol or luxury goods. I snagged a designer watch for 30% off on a layover in Dubai. Before buying, do a quick price check online to ensure it's a real deal. In one instance, I almost bought a perfume but found it cheaper at a local store. Sometimes duty-free isn't always the bargain it seems. Hack 14. Off-peak activities. Tourist hotspots charge a premium during peak hours. Visiting early morning or late afternoon can save you money and spare you the crowds. What's your favorite off-peak adventure? I'm taking notes. I visited the Colosseum at 8 a.m. and it felt like I had the place to myself. Not only was the experience serene, but tickets were cheaper, and I avoided the long midday lines. Hack 15. Stay loyal to brands. Loyalty programs aren't just marketing fluff. They can earn you serious perks like free upgrades, meals, or even nights. Pick one airline or hotel chain and stick to it. Those points add up fast. On a recent trip, my loyalty with a hotel chain earned me a free room upgrade and complimentary breakfast. The savings? Over $200, and the waffles were incredible. Hack 16. Use public transport. Skip the expensive taxis and Ubers. Buses, trains and metros are not only cheaper but often more immersive. Navigating Tokyo's metro was an adventure in itself, and it cost me less than $5 a day. Hack 17. Travel insurance saves in the long run. Don't skimp on travel insurance. A small upfront cost can save you thousands in medical bills or trip cancellations. A friend of mine broke his leg in Peru. Without insurance, it would have cost him $10,000. Hack 18. Sign up for newsletters. Airlines and travel companies often announce flash sales through newsletters. Being on their mailing list gives you a head start. Pro tip: create a separate email account just for travel deals to keep things organized. Hack 19. Bring a reusable water bottle. Save money and the planet. Many airports, hotels and cities have free water refill stations. Interactive challenge. How many plastic bottles can you avoid using on your next trip? Track it and share with me. Hack 20. Plan, but not too much. Over-planning can lead to missed opportunities and extra costs. Leave room for spontaneity. Some of the best deals come from last-minute decisions. On a whim, I booked a $20 ferry ride to a remote Greek island. It turned out to be the highlight of my trip. Travel doesn't have to be expensive to be extraordinary. With these 20 hacks, you'll not only save money, but also experience the world in a richer, more authentic way. Which hack are you trying first?
Let me know in the comments.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a money-saving tip.
Your next adventure is waiting.